So today, guys, we're gonna play this one. It's called Wish for Anything. Okay, it's gonna be so not epic. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, it's epic. It's gonna be. Okay, what's this? Fireplace. Wait. I wish for a shark. Wait. Shark. Okay. Dino.
Here is your dinosaur.
Cat.
Here is your cat.
Wolf. I'm going in the base.
Here is your wolf.
Dragon. Hehehe. Pony.
Here is your hawk.
How about a unicorn? Cool.
Here is your unicorn.
Clay.
Here is your cloak.
Oh. Clay.
Hi, I'm your clone. Which one of us is real? Do I look like you, or do you look like me?
Playground.
Wait, maybe you're the clone.
Playground? Okay.
Here is your carousel.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Daddy!
Here is your Thanos.
Daddy!
For a pony.
Ang galing mo nang kumain sa akin. Diligid ka nang kumain.
Wish for the four, okay. Okay, now we're not gonna play this anymore. It's boring. We're gonna be going for this one. So we're gonna be going for this one. This one. Hold. Don't press the button. 3. Okay. This is gonna be easy. What? What is a train? Why is there a train? Huh? Oh! The guy died. I'm sorry. Go gun. Go. What's this? Am I the only one? Oh no, I'm getting this fight. Whoa. I'm surviving. Yes, I'm surviving. Oh, I died. Why did I die? Okay, now we're gonna go. No. Did this get? Oh. Okay, now let's go get it. What's this? Media. We're gonna stay here for a few minutes, a few seconds. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why is there holes in the roof? No! Please survive! And I'm gonna survive! Oh wait, no. I didn't survive. No! Why didn't I survive? Okay. What? We have to climb up some ledge. Why do we have to climb up? What? Where's it? Oh no. It's lava. Oh my god. I'm not friend gonna make it, guys. Comment down below. Like and subscribe if I can read it. Oh. You can like and subscribe, huh? So next time you have to like and subscribe. Okay? Okay, what's this? 5. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? It's so big. This would fit an arena. Oh no. Not this again. If you like and subscribe, I'll give you free 1 Robux each minute. Out. Okay, now yes. It's just the old one. Okay, now. Keeps on growing. No, don't reach. Oh wait, that is up. It's up. Is that a vending machine? Oh wait, what the? Oh wait. So what does this one do? This one do? Oh wait, this is Rostam's face. I might just. Oh. Bombs! It's bombs! Get in here. Go, guys. Go. I said, where did I say go? Go. I know I can make it. I'm just faking. So I did die. Oh. Oh, super. Why did it climb up? Okay, maybe it's an obby. Oh, wait, it's a rising one. Go. Yes, I'm doing. I'm so bad. Oh! I'm literally up the roof. Wait, what's this? Huh? Doing this. What? So it tricked me. That juice box tricked me. Okay. Two-Face? Was it Two-Face? How did I die? And why am I inside? Oh, that guy died. wait. Okay, so guys. Okay. Oh wait, what's that? We have to go there. There's no secret pass. Oh wait, we need to go there. Oh no, I fell. We fell with the guy. Okay. Fell. No. Okay, now. Excuse me, mom. What's that? No. What's that do? Oh, the tree is gonna go there, guys. Gonna get killed. Oh, we get killed. Just got killed. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. What's this? A vending machine? Oh, I know this. How did you survive that? Okay, this one a little dangerous. I have checked it out. Oh wait. Go. Go, it's Shivani. Wait, are you kidding me? He's gonna die. He didn't do it! Oh my god, he's gonna die. He's so slow. How about I that? Oh, what's this? Wait, do these things do anything? Wait. Oh, there's nothing. There's so. Oh, was that a car? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, the guy survived. Dang, bro, he's good. Bro, he's good. And now, so, right, we're gonna end this video right now. So, like and subscribe, and see you soon. So.